Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a high quality video using CapCut. Obviously you'd want your videos to be high quality as well, but if it's not too high quality, that's fine. We can add in effects to make it a little bit more high quality. So I'm just going to add in the sharpen edges. You can also add in the smart sharpen as well. I'm going to just add it here. I'm just going to kind of adjust the filter and adjust the blur a little bit because that's too blurry for me. I'm just going to sharpen it, but not too much because it's going to look fake. So just sharpen it just a little bit, and you can adjust the size here. Again, you don't want it too much. Then you're going to go to your videos again. You're going to go to adjust. You can add in LUTs. You can adjust the temperature. If you want it a little bit more sunny, move it to the right of the temperature to make it warmer. If you want it a little bit, looks like it's just finished raining, slide it to the left side. I want to go for like a sunnier vibe because I really need that right now. And I'm just going to leave the tint here, adjust the saturation just a little bit, and I'm just going to adjust the exposure just a tad bit. I don't want too much. Add in more highlights because I want that sun to shine a little bit. If you want to add sharpen a little bit more, you can do that, and just kind of adjust it to your video. And that is it for this video. I hope, okay, it shouldn't look like that. It should look like this, but it's just loading, so that's why it looks like that. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.